What's up, Rated R Cars? Today we're going to continue our efforts to beautify this already bellissimo bike, as if that were possible. Anyway, today we're going to be talking about these beautiful CNC racing grips imported directly from Italy. Let's do work. Introducing the CNC Racing Evo MP105 BR grips in black with red pinstripes. These grips are just under $85 US and they are imported from Italy. You will need to purchase a separate throttle control tube for your ride-by-wire Ducati Diavel, and that part number is MPA01B. Alright, so here's what they look like on the motorcycle. As you can see, they look really gorgeous, especially with this little pinstripe over here, which is courtesy of the Rizoma end caps, which complement nicely the Rizoma reverse retro mirrors. The goal of this bike is not to deck it out with tons of red, but I do like black with a touch of red. As you can see on the Shelby over here, got that little red pinstripe there. And I think she's coming out nicely here. Working on a video on this little gem right here. Stay tuned for that soon. So of course we've got that red trellis frame. Got the beautiful red stitching on the S version of this motorcycle. And over here you have that spot of red in the S. Little dot of red here with the Ducati power launch button. And then at nighttime when this is on, these controls over here and on the right hand side are illuminated with a red backdrop, which I find to be epic. Now my TWM keyless gas cap has this red lever, which was left out in the sun too long and has turned pink. So I need a solution for this. I'm probably just going to ask them if I can just buy this piece here and I'll replace that and make sure that we don't leave this bike in the sun for too long. But when that was red, it looks nice. And I think we need red in a couple more places just to balance it out a little bit further. So as you can see, it says CNC Racing right there on the side. That's on both sides. You got your thicker red pinstripe here on the right, and you've got your thinner red pinstripe here on the left. You've got your soft rubber grip, which is quite a substantial grip. And then you've got your anodized aluminum over here in black. Matches perfectly. I think it looks great. I rode 6 hours using these grips 2 days ago, and I can say that they're comfortable and they look phenomenal. And that's a winning combination. Just rounds it out with a bit more of that beautiful red and black. The aluminum is super high quality, as you can see here. It has no blemishes. The rubber is thick and supple and has a really great grip. I can't even slide my fingers across it. It's a really nice knurled rubber grip. Anyway, just a quick review. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I love you guys. You guys are bellissimo. If you like this video, if you like the mod, please hit the thumbs up. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more Mustangs, motorcycles, and man tech. And until then, always remember the motto, always be kinder than necessary, and I will see you in the next one.